So, what's up guys? Andrew Boone here. Today, we got a brand new lens. This lens actually has been on back order for a very long time, and I'm so happy that it came in. It is the Tamron 28-75 2.8 for Sony E-mount. Okay guys, so yeah, we're down here in beautiful downtown Annapolis, and we are gonna put this lens through its paces, do a couple tests, photo, video, and at the end I'm gonna give you my impressions of this brand new lens. Okay. Overall, I mean, I gotta say, man, right off the bat, this lens is super duper light. One thing I actually would like to note about this lens though, being a 28 at the wider end rather than 24, it's only 4 millimeters. I didn't think I would actually miss it, but I kind of miss it. 28 is just a little tight sometimes, and even for these landscapes, I can get a little bit more with 24. So just a note. All right, so one thing that keeps confusing me, in autofocus mode it's fine, but if you ever have to manual focus, the actual focus ring is on the bottom, and on the Sony lenses it's actually reversed, all Canon lenses as well. So the fact that the zoom is up here and the focus is down here, it's kind of throwing me for a loop a little bit, but I just got to get used to it. We're actually going to test out the continuous burst to see how the autofocus tracks, and I'm actually going to use my man Sebastian behind the camera right here, right now, to help me out. So, all right, here we go. Cool, we're good. Seems like it tracked pretty well. Let's take a look. All right. So I hear this lens actually focuses pretty close. We're gonna go test it out on these flowers right now. So let's check it out. I am literally inches away from this thing and it is still focusing. They weren't kidding about how close it gets. It's yeah, borderline, kind of like a macro lens almost, as close as we can get to it. It's pretty cool. You know, photo mode seemed to be pretty good. Honestly, it handled everything very well. I was really surprised. Now we're gonna switch it into video mode. The autofocus on this thing in video mode is so good. It's so fast. It's just like the photo mode. I'm actually blown away. All right, so just like photo mode, we're gonna do a little continuous autofocus, face detect on of my man Sebastian here, but in video mode. So let's see how this goes. Cool, back it up. Cool, nice, nice. That's it guys, initial impressions, the Tamron 28-75. This thing is actually kind of amazing. I'm pretty surprised because number one, it's $799. It's only $800 for a 28-75 2.8 full frame lens for the Sony system. I mean, $2,200 for the G Master. That is almost 3 times the price. So as far as build quality goes, I think it is super light. I can carry this thing all day, and we've been here for hours and it feels great. I haven't even noticed it. I would say that the feel of the lens itself is a little on the plasticky side. I will say that the Sony lenses feel a little bit more sturdy, and just a little bit more hefty in the hand in a good way. Photo quality was great. Autofocus was super snappy, super quick in photo mode. It didn't really miss a beat at all. I felt like I was using a truly native lens. The autofocus in video mode was perfect and it was great. So overall, this lens is awesome, and I do recommend this for anyone on a budget or anyone looking to get a full frame zoom for the Sony E-mount system. The price ratio to the quality is kind of unmatched, really. There's nothing in this price range that's going to give you this kind of quality, and that's just my impression. I'm going to do some more testing on this lens, and in the next week or so I'm going to put on another video a little bit more detailed, but overall my first impressions of this lens were A+. So make sure you like and subscribe to stay up to date with the videos coming up, and until next time guys, happy shooting.